Hello students, today we will move to chapter 8, that is cooperative society. Cooperative society is also a form of organization. Like you had seen sole proprietorship, partnership, joint stock company, different types of companies. Cooperative society is also a form of organization, a type of organization under which business or non-business activities can be carried out. So cooperative societies in India are governed by Cooperative Societies Act 1912 as company is administered under Companies Act 2013 or 1956. So in this way, cooperative societies are also governed under Act that is called Cooperative Societies Act 1912. So this is also a form of organization. So first you remember the definition given by Indian Cooperative Societies Act 1912, that is a society which has its objectives for the promotion of economic interests of its member in accordance with cooperative principles. So this is the basic thing, that cooperative society is a voluntary association. That means the members are voluntarily, on their own will, on their own interest, become a member of cooperative society, and the basic objective is to serve its own members and not one person or not any other person. All the economic benefits are diverted towards its own members. So here the basic philosophy is all for each and each for all. Means each other, everyone is mutually helping every other person who is member of the same cooperative society. So in this way it works. Next point is features of cooperative society. What are the characteristics of cooperative society? So it is a voluntary association. Any person can become member of a cooperative society, and nobody can be given coercion for becoming member of a cooperative society. And also anybody can leave any such cooperative society on his or her will after giving a proper notice. So in this way anybody can withdraw capital also. His part of capital he or she can withdraw at any time, and anybody who is member of cooperative society cannot transfer his membership to any other person. This is also one point. In case of cooperative society it cannot be done as it is done in case of equity shares. Equity shares can be transferred without any intimation to the company, but in case of membership of cooperative society it cannot be transferred. Anybody else wanting to become a member of cooperative society has to apply on its own, on his own, to the company, to the cooperative society. So these are the features of cooperative society and some rules which are applicable with the cooperative society. Now, religious and political neutrality must be maintained by a cooperative society. Any cooperative society cannot discriminate people on the basis of their race, caste, creed, or religion, so or political affiliation. So religious and political neutrality should be maintained by cooperative society. The existence of cooperative society is totally different from its members. So it has a separate legal entity and it is not responsible for the actions of its members. So ultimately, whatever is decided by the cooperative society, whichever policy is followed, only the people governing it are responsible for that. And cooperative society has a separate legal entity, so it can make contracts, it can file suits in courts. Another feature is that every member of the cooperative society is entitled to one vote only. And here is the difference between company and cooperative society. That in company, votes are based on shares. If anybody is having 51% shares, then the voting power is also 51% for him. But in case of cooperative society, however big the capital may have been contributed by the member, the voting right remains only one and one. So it will always remain one vote. Again, the motive, fundamental motive of the cooperative society is the benefit of its members. So it is in existence only due to service motive towards its members. Whatever benefit or surpluses are found through cooperative society are distributed among its own members only. So it is for the benefit of members. Registration is done as in case of company, it is done with the registrar of companies. In case of cooperative societies, it is done with registrar of cooperative societies. The government exercises regulation and control over cooperative societies to ensure healthy growth of societies. Since people believe on cooperative societies, if any organization with tax cooperative society is there, then people believe that it must be true or must be free of any deception. But sometimes this tag may be used by wrong people also. So cooperative society are always governed and followed by the government agencies. And whatever the surplus we can't call profit in case of cooperative societies, because the motive of cooperative society is not to earn profit, rather benefit of its members. And in that course it may be possible, like in case of Amul, it must be earning profit because it is producing and again selling and earning money through sales also. So sometimes surplus is also arisen from the actions of cooperative society, but that is generally distributed after keeping a reserve, that is distributed among its members. And cash trading is also has to be followed, while because credit is not granted to the members, since it does not believe on its members and it does not have any personal obligation towards the members, so it is only on cash basis. Under cooperative society we see many type of cooperative societies, like sometimes for producing something like milk or silk or any handloom products, or for it may be providing credit facility like loan, short term or long term, towards farmers, towards small businessmen. So there are different kind of cooperative societies, and it varies from national level to panchayat level. Packs are example of panchayat level cooperative society. So cooperative society are generally made for mutual benefit, economic benefit of its members. So these are the basic features of cooperative society you must remember. We will see what are the distinction between cooperative society and a joint stock company in the next class. Thanks.